As per the direction of Rajen Rongpi, Assistant Conservator of Forest, a team of Forest Department led by Indrajit Singha, Deputy Ranger, and Samson Ingti, Forester 1, were engaged into a search operation and recovered timbers, machine chainsaw, and generator from Paklongkam, the Krutso region on 12 January. Forest Department of Dokmoka Western Forest Range were in high alert after an intel of possible timber theft around their perimeter was received. Hence, they remain vigilant, and on Thursday, they recovered 80 kb of timbers and machine chainsaw generator concealed under the earth from the forest. It was informed that the contraband seized could be worth of rupees 2 to 3 lakhs if sold in open market. Forest Department acted upon the information put forward by ECF. The team reached the locations and instantly engaged into a search operation. Timber smugglers must come to an end.
লগতে ঠাইটো যথেষ্ট দুৰ্গম জায়গা আছিল তো আমি সেই জায়গাত গৈ তালাচী চলাওঁতে লুকাই থোৱা অৱস্থাত এটা কাঠফলা মেচিন জেনাৰেটৰ এটা লগতে কাঠ প্ৰায় 80 সেফটি আৰু মেচিনৰ সা-সঁজুলি তালাচী চলাই আমি জব্দ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হওঁ।
Samson Ingti's report from Dokmoka for Karbi Anglong Live.